Imagine a future where you no longer need to pull out a smartphone from your pocket. Because everything you see, everything you do, and everything you control is right in front of your eyes. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of smart glasses that could soon replace smartphones forever. Welcome to Tech Tomorrow, the channel where we explore the future of technology and how it's shaping our world. Smart glasses are no longer just a futuristic dream. Tech giants like Apple, Meta, Google, and Samsung are investing billions of dollars into developing glasses that merge the digital world with the physical one. But the real question is, can smart glasses actually replace smartphones by 2035? Let's break it down step by step. 1. The power of augmented reality (AR). Smart glasses use AR to project digital information directly onto your field of vision. Imagine walking down the street and seeing instant navigation directions floating on the road, or looking at a restaurant and seeing reviews appear instantly. Instead of checking your phone every few minutes, the world itself becomes your screen. 2. Hands-free control. One of the biggest limitations of smartphones is that they require your hands. But smart glasses are designed for voice control, eye tracking, and even subtle hand gestures. That means texting, calling, browsing, and even gaming all without touching a device. 3. Integration with AI assistants. By 2030, AI assistants will be smarter than ever. Imagine glasses that listen to your conversation and instantly translate languages in real time, or provide you with key facts during a meeting. AI-powered smart glasses will work like a second brain, always ready, always accessible. 4. Health and fitness monitoring. Smartphones already track health metrics, but glasses will take it further. Advanced sensors could measure your stress levels, monitor your eye health, and even detect early signs of diseases by analyzing patterns in your behavior and biometrics. 5. The future of communication. Instead of video calls on a phone screen, smart glasses will create holographic calls. You'll be able to see a 3D projection of your friend sitting right in front of you no matter where they are in the world. This will completely change how humans connect. 6. Privacy and security concerns. Of course, there are challenges. People worrying about constant surveillance, data privacy, and the social impact of living in a world where everything is recorded. But history shows us, every time a new technology arrives, society eventually adapts. 7. Will smartphones disappear completely? Most experts believe smartphones won't disappear overnight. Instead, smart glasses will slowly take over as the primary device, while phones become backup devices. By 2035, glasses could become the new normal, just like smartphones became after 2010. 8. The impact on daily life. From education to shopping, from medicine to entertainment, smart glasses will revolutionize everything. Students could learn history by literally seeing 3D recreations of ancient civilizations. Doctors could perform surgeries with AR guidance. Shoppers could try on clothes virtually before buying. Final thoughts. The future belongs to immersive technology, and smart glasses might just be the first step toward a world where screens disappear forever. The real question is, are we ready to live in a world where reality itself becomes digital? And that's all for today's exploration of the future of smart glasses. You're watching Tech Tomorrow. If you enjoyed this deep dive into future tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we uncover more innovations shaping our tomorrow.